yo, my best friend till the very end. Cause best friends don't have to pretend. You need a hand, and I'm right there, right beside you. You in the dark, I'll be the bright light to guide you. Remember the times thinking of the house, all of the
Hi guys. Alright, welcome back to my channel. You know, it's your girl Shake. Sorry. Yeah, real name Shanike. Anyways, so today, as you can see, I got somebody here with me. Oh, that's lovely here.
Cute.
This is my best friend, Shin Shin. Her name is Shani Bailey. Yes, and
Cute.
y'all will know a little about us. So we're gonna be doing the best friend tag. I got my questions here, so we're gonna answer some questions. I got the questions. So our first question is, how and when did you meet your best friend?
Duh, she came home.
Yes, so I just came home to her. I'm her sister. If y'all didn't pick it up, we got the resemblance, y'all. Don't you?
Yeah, next question.
Anyways, what's our favorite memory together? I don't know.
We have so much.
Exactly. We have so much. We have those times at the beach. We have
Hanging out together. Oh, it's at school. We went to college together.
yeah. All right. What's your best friend's dream job? For Shanique, her dream job is being an actress, or a singer. Yeah. And for me, come on, tell me, what's my dream job?
Fashion designer. Can't you see her?
Yes. Anyway, describe each other in one word.
Savage.
Awesome. She's awesome. Okay, what is your best friend's favorite color? Pink.
Yellow and purple. When is your friend's birthday?
Well, ow, my hair. All right.
September 27.
And Shanique's birthday is December 5th.
The best month ever.
No.
What's your favorite thing to do? Her favorite thing to do?
Shanique singing.
Playing Sims. Like literally. Can't you help her literally?
No,
You help her.
I cannot be helped. Sims is the best. Anyways, her.
What is your best friend term at? Cooking. Dab on it.
I'm not terrible at cooking. I can cook. I just prefer baking. There's a difference. Anyways, what is she terrible at? Sewing. She is
That's
terrible at
right.
sewing.
It always sticks me in my hand. You can see I'm
She can sew, you know.
Ah,
Don't get me
just
wrong. She can
sticks
sew.
me
but
in
she-
my hand.
Terrible. Is your friend a great friend? Well, honestly, my friend is a great friend because she is motivational. She is kind-hearted. She is just so loving. I just love her. Am I a great friend?
No, my girl. I love her because she's just Shauna Key. You can't say nothing to harm her. Yeah.
Yeah. Get on, girl.
Lord, if I find favor in your sight, Lord, please hear my heart's cry. I'm desperately waiting to be where you are. I'll cross the hottest desert. I'll travel near or far for your glory. I will do anything just to see you, to behold you as my King, for your glory. I will do anything just to see you, to behold you as my King. I wanna be where you are.
gotta be where you are. I wanna be where you are. I gotta be where you are. For your glory, I would do anything just to see you, to behold you as my King. For your glory, I would do anything just to see you, to behold you as my King. I wanna be where you are. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Peace. Got him.
I feel like Usain in the cheetah print. Talk fresh game, I don't need a minute.